The Moira foil polish for stamping is a unique product that dries on air and has very good adhesion to nail foils, pigment and effect powders. It dries in longer time than regular or stamping polish, therefore it makes stamping easier by leaving more time for everything. Moira foil polish is loaded with pigments, therefore it is advised to shake it well before use. The black, white and silver Moira foil polish work perfectly with stamping and foiling. To demonstrate this, Norka will first use the nature plate. After cleaning the plate, she applies the foil polish, scrapes off the excess, picks up the design and stamp it on a tip. Depending on the thickness of the lines, we should wait about 30 to 60 seconds before we start pressing the magic foil on the design. Now we will show you a design from plate Art Nouveau. We will use number 9 stamper just like before and repeat the same steps. Let's wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then press the foil on the design. Let's check out some more designs from Vanity and Florality 1 plates. Foil polish is also a great choice when we would like to use pigment powder for decoration. Now we brush some white foil polish on Florality 3 plate, scrape it and stamp the design on a tip. After a couple of seconds, we apply some pigment powder with a soft makeup brush or with an unused acrylic brush. We wait for about 1 minute and then we carefully brush off the excess powder and clean the surface with a manicure brush. You can see that the powder perfectly covered the foil polish. Now we will show how black foil polish and gold pigment powder work together using a design from Art Nouveau plate. We will use the same technique as before. This design from plate Florality 3 was made with black foil polish and green pigment powder. Now we will use the silver foil polish. We will stamp from Waterworld plate and cover it with blue pigment powder. By now you could see that all foil polish stamp perfectly and work really well with pigments. And what about mirror powder? Through a design from Lace Love 2 plate, we will show that it also works flawlessly with our new foil polish. Mirror powder should be used the same way as pigments before. With a soft brush, apply the mirror powder on the tip to cover the design. Wait for about 1 minute and then clean off the excess. Once it is done, we have to seal the design. Depending on what base you were working on, you should use different top. If you have gel polish underneath the design, you should use a gel polish top in 2 layers. This could be the Moira 2-in-1 base and top coat or Moira Clever Cover. If you made the decoration on nail polish base, then cover it with stamping top coat. Once the top has cured too hard, just watch and take pleasure in the beautiful result.